How to lure a cat. Cats, with their mysterious aura and independent spirit, often captivate our interest and affection. Unlike dogs, which may bound up to a newcomer with wagging tails and eager eyes, cats typically approach new people and situations with caution. Luring a cat, therefore, becomes an art, a blend of patience, understanding, and the right tactics. This guide explores effective strategies to win over these enigmatic creatures, making them comfortable and even affectionate towards us. Introduction: the quest to lure a feline. In the grand tradition of attempting tasks that are both mystifying and ultimately humbling, luring a cat ranks somewhere between solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded and getting a toddler to eat their greens. This guide is for the fearless, the bold, and those who have found themselves thinking, surely, this creature can be persuaded to adore me with the right combination of treats, toys, and sheer willpower. Welcome to the ultimate challenge, winning the affection, or at least the mild interest, of the world's most indifferent domestic creature. Understanding cat behavior. Before attempting to lure a cat, it's essential to understand a bit about cat behavior. Cats are naturally curious, but also cautious creatures. They prefer to feel in control of their environment and approach new things on their terms. Recognizing these traits is the first step in luring a cat successfully. To lure a cat, one must first understand the deep, philosophical underpinnings of their psyche. Imagine a being whose entire existence revolves around napping in sunbeams, judging humans, and occasionally, gracing their chosen people with a momentary glance. Cats are the Zen masters of the animal kingdom, possessing an air of detachment that would make even the most stoic philosopher green with envy. Our first step is to accept that in the grand scheme of things, we are but mere mortals in the eyes of our feline overlords. Creating a welcoming environment. The environment plays a crucial role in making a cat feel safe and curious. Ensure the space is quiet and free of sudden, loud noises that might startle the cat. Sitting or lying down can make you seem less intimidating, inviting the cat to come closer. Avoid direct eye contact initially, as cats can perceive this as a threat. Instead, use soft blinking to communicate friendliness. The art of indifference: pretend you don't care. It's a well-known fact that cats are drawn to those who seem the least interested in them. To become truly irresistible, you must master the art of indifference. This section will guide you through the paradoxical approach of ignoring the cat to gain its undivided attention, featuring strategies like the casual glance away and the strategic avoidance of eye contact. Prepare for tales of cats who have shunned expensive toys for the allure of a cardboard box, teaching us valuable lessons in humility and the art of playing hard to get. The lure of the forbidden: creating no-go zones. There's nothing more enticing to a cat than a freshly closed door or a laptop keyboard in use. This segment explores the magnetic appeal of forbidden territories and how strategically placing "do not enter" signs can turn any no-go zone into catnip. We'll share stories of cats teleporting to prohibited areas with the skill of seasoned cat burglars, proving that the only real law in a cat's world is the law of desire. The magic of food. Food is often the most straightforward way to a cat's heart. Start with something irresistible, like a piece of cooked chicken or fish, or a commercial cat treat known for its strong aroma. Place the treat near you but not too close, allowing the cat to approach and take the food without feeling cornered. Gradually, you can encourage the cat to come closer to you for its treat, building trust step by step. While it's often said that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, this axiom holds doubly true for cats. However, the feline palate is as discerning as it is unpredictable. One day, they may deign to partake in the finest organic salmon. The next, they'll turn up their noses at anything less than a whiff of vintage tuna straight from the can. The lure of play. Cats, irrespective of age, have a playful instinct. A toy, especially one that mimics prey, like a feather on a string or a small, moving object, can be incredibly enticing. Engaging in play allows a cat to express its natural hunting behaviors in a safe environment, creating a positive association with your presence. The magic of boxes and paper bags. To a cat, a cardboard box isn't merely a container, it's a fortress, a hiding spot, a place of contemplation. Similarly, paper bags hold untold mysteries, offering rustling sounds and the perfect ambush spot. This section explores the enigmatic allure of these everyday items, suggesting that they might indeed be portals to other dimensions, or at least, in the minds of our feline companions. We'll investigate why the most expensive cat bed will always lose to the allure of a simple box, and how a paper bag can become the scene of epic adventures. The enchantment of the red dot. The quest to capture the elusive red dot is a saga of epic proportions, a test of skill, agility, and the existential patience of the human holding the laser pointer. This portion of our guide recounts the battles waged in living rooms around the world, where cats leap, pounce, and occasionally collide with furniture in their pursuit of this mysterious foe. Strategies for making the hunt as entertaining for the human as it is for the cat will be shared, alongside the philosophical musings on whether the red dot truly exists if it can never be caught. The power of catnip, feline narcotics. Catnip, the leafy green that can transform your dignified feline into a wide-eyed, euphoric acrobat. This segment explores the humorous effects of catnip on different cats, from the Zen master who sits contemplatively in a cloud of catnip bliss to the wild child who embarks on a 10-minute frenzy of unfettered joy. We'll cover the responsible use of this powerful herb, ensuring that both human and cat enjoy the experience without ending up with a living room that looks like a scene from a catnip hurricane. Elevating your status, becoming the chosen one. In the eyes of a cat, not all humans are created equal. This chapter is dedicated to those seeking to elevate their status from tolerable presence to favored human. Through a series of humorous anecdotes and tips, we'll explore the subtle art of strategic petting, finding that perfect spot behind the ears, the timely provision of treats, and the importance of playing fetch, yes, some cats do this, on their terms. Discover how patience, persistence, and perhaps a little bit of luck can turn you into the chosen one. Smart feeders, patience and respect. The dilemma of automatic is perhaps the most critical component of luring a cat. Designed to dispense food at rushing the process or trying to force interaction can backfire, causing the cat to feel scared or threatened. They promise the convenience of regular feeding allow without human intervention in its own time, and on the other, they become the focus of cat ingenuity. Some cats as may take minutes, others days, or even weeks to fully warm up to a new person, with hilarious results. Technological innovations in cat luring, nudging, and studying the feeder as if it were a puzzle box is only fitting that we explore how technological innovations have opened new frontiers in the art of cat luring. The triumph in their eyes is matched only by automated laser toys to AI-powered pet cameras. AI-powered pet cameras, the voyeur has never been more inventive or amusing. In the realm of cat luring, this section delves into the humorous potential of these gadgets, reminding us that while technology only allow humans to observe and interact with their cats delightfully but often include features like the automated laser point dispensing. The laser pointer, the irony staple in the cat entertainment arsenal, has received a high-tech upgrade and spontaneous treats. Automated laser toys now offer a hands-free solution to engage curiosity and the age-old chase, while others adopt the camera as their new confidant, often equipped with random patterns and timing purrs. Promise to keep your cat entertained and physically interactions. Particularly when cats attempt to locate the source of the voice or entertainment, often lies the amusing disconnect between human intentions and sophisticated machinery, opting instead to nap in the device's fitness tracking for the indifferent. It's a humorous reminder that, designed to monitor pet activity, cat and technology, and even mood, represent the pinnacle of pet technology. Yet, they clash humorously with the cat's notorious indifference to self-improvement. While humans pore over the data, attempting to optimize their cat's health and activity, the cats themselves remain blissfully unaware of the metrics they're generating. The sight of a cat nonchalantly grooming itself while its human discusses its step count is a delightful position of modern health trends and timeless feline apathy. In exploring technological innovations in cat luring, we're reminded that while our tools and toys become ever more sophisticated, the charm of our feline companions lies in their simple, unchanging nature. They remind us to find joy in the moment, whether it's a sunbeam, a cardboard box, or the laugh that escapes as we watch them outwit the latest gadget. Before we finish this video, I would like to give you few facts about cats. Cat facts: 12 amazing things you didn't know about your furry friends. Cats are one of the most popular pets in the world, and for good reason. They are cute, cuddly, and full of personality. But how much do you really know about these fascinating creatures? Here are 12 amazing facts that will make you appreciate your feline friend even more. 1. Cats have extraordinary night vision. Cats can see in very low light conditions, thanks to their large eyes and a special layer of tissue called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back to the retina. Cats can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. 2. Cats purr when they are happy, but also when they are stressed or in pain. Purring is a way of communicating and soothing themselves and others. Purring can also help cats heal themselves by releasing endorphins and stimulating blood flow. Three. Cats have more toes on the front paws than their back toes. Most cats have 5 toes on each front paw and 4 on each back paw, but some cats have extra toes, called polydactyly. The record for the most toes on a cat is 28. 4. Cats show their belly when they trust you and want to show you affection. However, they may not like being touched on their belly, as it is a very sensitive area. If a cat exposes its belly to you, it means it feels comfortable and relaxed around you. 5. Cats wag their tail when they are feeling excited, annoyed, or frustrated. The faster the tail moves, the more intense the emotion. A cat that wags its tail slowly may be curious or interested, while a cat that wags its tail rapidly may be angry or scared. 6. Cats' taste buds cannot detect sweet things. Cats lack the gene that codes for the sweet receptor, so they have no preference for sugary foods. Instead, cats are drawn to foods that are high in protein and fat, such as meat and fish. 7. Cats nap for about 15 hours a day, and some may sleep up to 20 hours. Napping helps cats conserve energy and stay alert for hunting. Cats are crepuscular, which means they are most active at dawn and dusk, when their prey is more likely to be out. 8. Kittens require a lot more sleep than adult cats. Kittens sleep for about 18 to 20 hours a day, as they grow and develop rapidly. Kittens also dream more than adult cats, as they process and store new information and experiences. 9. Cat brains are very similar to human brains. Cats have about 300 million neurons in their cerebral cortex, the part of the brain responsible for cognitive functions, compared to 16 billion in humans. However, cats have a larger surface area and more folds, which increase the brain's processing power. 10. Cats chirp when they see a bird or other prey that they want to catch. Chirping may be a way of mimicking the prey's sound or expressing their excitement or frustration. Chirping may also be a way of calling out to other cats or humans. 11. A cat always lands on its feet, thanks to a remarkable ability called the riding reflex. Cats have a flexible spine and a vestibular system in their inner ear that helps them sense their orientation and balance. When a cat falls, it twists its body and aligns its legs to land safely. 12. It's been scientifically proven that cat owners are healthier people. Owning a cat can lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, and stress levels, as well as boost your immune system and mood. Cats can also provide companionship, comfort, and emotional support. These are just some of the many amazing facts about cats that make them such wonderful pets and friends. Conclusion. Luring a cat is less about manipulation and more about building a bond of trust and understanding. By creating a safe environment, using food and play as incentives, and exercising patience, you can encourage even the most reserved cat to view you as a friend. Remember, every cat is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. The key is to be observant, adaptable, and respectful of the cat's comfort and pace. As our guide comes to a close, we reflect on the unpredictable, often hilarious journey of companionship with our feline friends. Whether through culinary bribes, the magic of cardboard boxes, or the quest for the red, the true lure might just be the joy, frustration, and laughter they bring into our lives. In the end, perhaps it's not about luring the cat at all, but about embracing our role in their world, part servant, part companion, and always, the entertained and bemused admirer of their feline whimsy. Let's enjoy the journey, for in the grand scheme of things, we wouldn't have it any other way.